What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day or not, depending on where, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it tonight. I said I think tonight to talk about it, talk about XRP, talk about the price, talk about where we're going, sort of compare it to where we're at today. And that's kind of where I'm at right now is discussing that. We do have some other things I want to talk about here. We have Tether, investors are scrambling. We have minted Ripple, a lot of things to unpack here. So yeah, let's jump into it. You guys are already chatting up the freaking chat right now. Pretty crazy. The chat is going. I mean, we have roughly 83 people already joined and like that. 119 now, 120. Gosh, dang. I'm gonna go tell her what's up, amazing coins. Queef, what's going on, dude? Chris, Speedy Burns, Life of Woods. Good to see you guys over here on TikTok. We got the crypto with Frank. What's up, dude? Rory, good to see everyone here on TikTok as well. We got 43 people over there. I thought it was going to be 589. That's tomorrow morning, Jeffrey. That's tomorrow morning, dude. Tomorrow morning is 589. All right. Need that clickbait. That's tomorrow, dude. Bright and early, dude. I hope you're here at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to have the 589 stream, So, yeah, what's up? What's going on, Kill Well? Good to see you again. I'm excited for XRP and XLM. Still new. Yeah, I'm with you, Nick. Austin in the house. What's up, Shar? Good to see everyone. Hit that like button. Oh, you guys are killing it right now. What it do? Are you late? About 10 minutes late. Usually 6:30. We start at 6:40, so a little bit late here. But we want to talk about the charts here. Like I said, I think we talked about this a lot, but I think I want to emphasize here that I mean this price on here on the 4-hour would definitely dip below this 100-day marker right here. This would probably come back down. The 12-hour wouldn't actually touch the 12-hour, so that's a positive sign here. The question is can it touch the 50-day if it comes back down to this 225 fill order? Some people are thinking that we're only going to drop around to 230. Some people think that we're going to get to 225, and some people think we're going to get all the way down to 220 and 215. So, again, we have a large gap to fill here, especially on this last little run here that we took off. What was that, last Wednesday? So, yeah, things are looking pretty good. Today, overall, we got all the way up to almost, 240, almost 246 today, and it hit that 246 number. It came back down, and right now we're resting around 240. So again, when I start to look at where the numbers are at, if I take this price and I see where we're at, it's about a 5%, almost a 6% decrease from where we're at. I mean, that's honestly not that bad of a decrease based off of our previous, what we've seen before. I mean, just recently we went from 250 all the way down to roughly 232 in this last little cycle we've had here. And that was over a 7% decrease. So, we did have a little dip after this run. We came back down. Now we bounce back up. The next thing is, are we going to bounce back down on another 6% decrease, which would put us right there at the 225? So that's the big question that we have to solve here. Some people are thinking that some people are still calling for us to get down to $2. There's people out there on Twitter, on X. There's people on here making articles about it that they're thinking that we can still get down here to the $2 range. It's a good question to ask. Can we actually get to the $2? And I guess maybe I should pose that question here for the people in the chat here, is whether you guys think we could still get to $2 or not. I should have put a poll out there for everyone, but yeah, it's kind of crazy that people still think that we're actually going to go down there. I mean, I don't know. Planning on selling right as the cost basis. What did that say, Bano? Planning on selling right at the $1 USD. All right. People should have bought at 22 cents. What's up, Linda? Linda's over here now. Let's see here. Texas, Big X. Why do I have a Shiba by my name? Oh, because you have now moved up to the next level. You've been here for over a month, Rebecca, as a member of the channel. So you have leveled up now. Yeah, people are leveling up now. The members on the channel are leveling up, dude. Couldn't be more excited about that. Let's see here. Let's go. What's going on, dude? Crypto with Frank. Thanks so much for the team bracelets. Prediction for the end of January. Dude, I think end of January, inauguration day is going to be wild. I want to say that we're definitely going to we'll probably get to the cycle. I say we're going to definitely get over $3. If I had to just throw a crazy prediction out there, I think inauguration day, I mean, maybe this is a buy the rumor, sell the news thing here, but all numbers are kind of they're kind of already showing where they're going right now. I mean, we're obviously we're downtrending a little bit today. We went on this massive rally today. Bitcoin's back above 100,000. Now over the last 12 hours, we've been in the red for for XRP, we're dipping down to 239. And we're still 2 weeks out from inauguration. So even if this were to come down, this gives us about a week to come down here, even 6% in a week, maybe a couple days, we get down to the 6%, maybe more. And then we build out of it, or we come down here and we just sprint out of it. I don't know. I just know that we have all indicators are showing that we're going to trend downward. Even the day indicators on its way down on the RSI. You got the 12 hours indicating that's on its way down. The 4 hour right now is looking like it definitely hit off of that 80 on the RSI and came back down. So yeah, there's a lot of things here pointing at a downward trend, which again, a lot of people are like, why would we want XRP to go down? Well, it's just the natural cycle, right? It's just natural cycle of the market. It's not that we want it to go down. It's just that, like, that's the natural cycle of anything. Whenever it goes on a massive tear, there usually is a settlement period where people can accumulate more, and it takes it off to the next level. So that's kind of where that's at. And again, it's not like we're wanting that to happen. It's just a natural progression in markets and in trading. So yeah, that's kind of where it is. Let's see here. Sprint, please. Jordan, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member, and you could definitely go join that Discord, Jordan. So hopefully see you over there. I can't believe XRP is going to hit $10,000 on the 20th. I'm a newbie, and I feel like the market is so strange. Yeah, Annette, the market's, it's honestly not that bad. Dude, like I said, when you really zoom out on this thing, this is a really, really hot market. I mean, we're still up significantly from where we were at November 5th. And when you start to look at this, it's not just XRP. I mean, look at HBAR. I mean, HBAR, their chart's looking fantastic. XLM, right? Even with their last little dip right here, they've come back hot. But look at them. Look at these. Massive money has been made in these markets, dude. A lot of us have made a ton of money just waiting for this to happen, right? We've waited almost two, what feels like 2 years for this to all sort of come to a head and sprint up like it did right here. I mean, this was what a lot of us waited for. And so, yeah, there's new people that are coming into the market here, but these are this right here. Look at that, dude. That's a fair value gap right there. It split the top from the bottom and went right here in the middle, which is really, like, if you look at that, you have this little gap right here. You can see right there. See that little fair value gap right there? It's green. If you want to zoom in on that a little bit, right? Look at this, dude. And you gotta think, this didn't fill it. That could have filled it. But even this coming down and hitting the top of that fair value gap was a good sign. I mean, when you go and you pull back the Fibonacci on this, I mean, dude, the Fibonacci told us that this was a buy. I think we actually pulled it back. Let me go back to the 4 hour on here. I think we actually pulled the fib on this thing. And it was on a retracement. So let's actually do a retracement. Let's go right here. I mean, yeah, this thing was telling us, look at that, dude. This thing was telling us that it was a buy signal. That's a buy signal, dude. When it gets down this far into the red, that's a buy signal. And tell you the truth, that's the bottom. We could even go further out. We could even do this if we wanted to. And I mean, that's still telling us that we're in this area. And you could reverse this and go the other way. If you're saying that this is still, I mean, that's a retracement right there. And I mean, it's bound to hit the bottom of this. And I mean, look at that. Look how that played out, dude. That played out perfectly. And now we're in this area where we're still in this accumulation phase. I mean, this is still considered accumulation. This is still a buy zone, technically, based off this Fibonacci right here. So I mean, when you zoom out on that, I mean, there's still a lot of levels. I mean, some of these are so big that they're thinking this could get up to, I mean, easily all-time highs, right? All-time high, I think, was previously, like, what was it? Let's go back to the day chart. Previously, all-time highs were, 93. So, I mean, there's so much room with that. Just XLM alone, dude. Just XLM alone. There's so much room. Christina, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Appreciate that a ton. And yeah, definitely go check out that Discord for me, please. We have roughly, dude, I'm going to be honest, man. Discord is getting bigger, man. We're up to 753. I think this morning when we started, we were at 700, right? Now we're at 753. So 53 more members have come into Discord. So that's awesome. And yeah, couldn't be more excited for where Discord's going. It's definitely a wild Discord. I could say that. I think a lot of people here on the A team could attest that our Discord is popping. It's I will say that it's very, very interesting. But That's just me. Jordan, I had to use my computer and it worked. Okay, so you used your computer to get in. Joining the Discord is like amazing coins. You just got to select which one you want to go into. 3 equal bags is amazing. XDC. Okay, you got the XDC in there. What's up, Trent? Good to see you, Trent. Cool cat. Good to see everyone here. Big watch. ASMR fan holding it down. Soul of Jeffy, when that thing breaks up, gonna melt faces. Yeah, it very well could. I mean, even XRP, right? I mean, we could even say with XRP that we're still based off this. I mean, this is still technically, I mean, it's a higher buy zone. Let's go back to the 4-hour here. Again, we haven't ever changed this Fibonacci. This Fibonacci stayed the same. And I mean, it's technically, like I said, if it comes back down to 25, we're on the edge of this, this zone here. And even if you were to pull we can even get rid of this one. Let's actually pull a revert. We could say, well, some people were saying, well, this is a reverse, right? So, okay, well, let's see what the reverse looks like. Go to the trend. I mean, it's almost playing out exactly how XLM played, right? Came down. We're on a descending. We were descending. And then we hit this, it could have came down even further maybe, but we hit this and came back up, and now we're still in a good area, right? You don't typically sell until you're in the green, above this green area, which is, again, people are going to there's going to be a lot of weight up here at 270, 280 and $3. I mean, it's going to be heavy sells coming in at that time. But I mean, hopefully there's enough money coming in with the people's excitement of Trump coming in that we just blow past those numbers. Let's see, when it's $10, I'll be kicking myself. Was not buying at 239 because I was waiting for the drop to 225, or that FOMO trying to convince me. That's why it's important to establish a bag, Matthew, so that you're not on the outside looking in. So again, one big thing I've learned here in crypto throughout the years is that one thing that's helped me through my own, like I said, through my own psyche, is to build a bag and to have that bag sit there. And whether I have to, and through the whole bear market, I DCA'd my way into it. I built it over time and got to a position where I felt happy with it. Right. So even if you're new to crypto, you gotta start dipping your toes somewhere. And sometimes you might buy a little bit towards the top and have to work your way into a bag, but eventually holding on to that in a bull market. And I think we're still like looking really good from the bull market standpoint, is that bag will continue to grow even if you're doing day trades. Right now, I mean, what sucks is if you're waiting on the sidelines, you don't have any money and any skin in the game. Yeah, you sometimes can miss those cycles. Like, it's going to happen. You don't win 100% of the trades. This one right now, I got one in here for 225. I might miss that opportunity, right? It might come down to 226 and I might miss that opportunity. And if it does, it does, but I mean, I have my long-term bag that I know it doesn't matter what the price does. I know that I'm excited, right? And if I miss my swing trade, I just missed the swing trade. Fibonacci, are these indicators on Coinbase? Well, you can use it. These are indicators actually on TradingView, matched with the Coinbase liquidity. So that's kind of where this is at. Discord was popping. Yeah, you guys are wild in Discord, bro. I appreciate all the love in Discord, though. Queef, it's pretty wild over there. This is why people don't join the community. What are you talking about? Nope. Don't tell people to buy at the top. No, I'm saying people buy at the top. I'm not telling people to buy at the top. I'm saying people buy at the top, and you got to work your way into them. Sometimes you got to think, a lot of people that are new to crypto, they come in off of, they see green candles, so they start buying, right? Not looking at any indicators as to where this is going to go or where it's going to breach or anything like that. So, a lot of people here on the channel that are new to crypto bought at the top. So at some point you got to work your way out of that trade. I mean, if you bought XRP back on December 3rd and it was at 288 and you bought that top, you put 10K in there. I mean, you're literally down. You're down 17% on your trade. So you're literally down $1,700 on your trade. So what's the best thing to do is to go back in and try to find a solution. When this dipped all the way down to the two, we're buying it at the $2 range. I think a lot of us were buying it. That's a 30% gain. If you would have came back and put, a couple thousand back into that, you'd probably be evened out where you're at right now. You'd DCA your position down to roughly almost half. So you'd probably be roughly down at 250 at that point. So you'd almost be there. I got it at 70 cents. Yeah, you can't be too disappointed about that. 70 cents is good. Message like crazy. Yeah, I know, right? We all need to get together and have a party in Austin's new mansion when we get rich. Dude, there's no way I'm buying a mansion, dude. I don't. That's one thing I don't really get. Maybe it's just me, dude. I don't know. Like when people spend money, like rich people spend money on mansions that they don't even occupy. I don't get it. Why would you have a giant house that you only occupy like a couple rooms? I never quite understood it, but maybe it's because I've never been rich like that. So I don't know, or maybe it's just a flex thing. I guess I don't know. I would rather just have a ranch. I'd rather have like a bunch of property, with a decent sized house. Like we're talking like 4 bedroom, 3 bath, maybe 4 bath. I mean, like, why do we got to get all crazy? I'm buying a tiny home off the grid. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, go buy a ranch. You get some 4 wheelers. Get some good real estate is always good. But that's what I'm saying. I don't understand though, but why you'd go buy, you know, a giant house that you don't occupy. I'd rather spend that money on like going and seeing the world with the kids and stuff like that. I think XRP can hit 1,000. I mean, think about how there's 100 billion XRP and 3,000 partnerships that equals 10 trillion. Rito, I like your thought process, but 1,000, 10,000 for one XRP would be freaking. That would be. I don't even know how that would happen. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Gator. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you, dude. That's all I want. Just something. I mean, just why do people get all crazy? Plus, then that just like I mean, you see all these. You hear all these celebrities out here, like all the football players getting their houses broken into because people are like, yeah, these guys, obviously they're playing a game. No one's home. They got big ass houses with a bunch of money and things inside, toys inside, and so yeah, it's kind of crazy. When XRP flies, some of us will need therapy. True high vibe. True, I'll give you that. I'm setting. I'm gonna roll the dice. You rolling the dice? All right. So this is where we can predict it. So this is actually still technically based off the fib right here. This is still in a buy zone. So to each our own on that one. I mean, we can see back here, this is still in a higher buy zone. It's still in the green. So fib is telling us that this is still in a green area. So again, whether that's something you want to do or not, that's up to you. I think that there will be some retracement on this. It's already starting to retrace down to 395, and we got 2 weeks until inauguration day. You think that this is just going to continue to go up? No, there'll probably be some corrections here. But again, some of us are still working our bag, right? Some of us are still hoping that we're going to get in at this 225 for a nice swing trade. At least that's what I'm hoping for. But again, to each our own on that one. What up, new to the live? What's up, Andrew? Good to see you, buddy. I'm from Texas. It's the dream. Oh man, I'm with you, dude. I'm from Washington, so it's kind of a dream here too. Like to support Awesome Austin. Oh, Mom Dharma, thanks so much. Fun fact: even if you invested, it drops 90%, it can still drop another 90%. Sweet. Hey man, we've learned that in the bear market, haven't we? Mark, you don't day trade. I just hold long term and crazy. Yeah, right. You just hold to the tops and the bottoms. You buy tops and sell bottoms. Was that what you do? We've all been there before. Idaho, nice, dude. Idaho's nice. We got another person in the house. So we got Killer Whale from Idaho, Boise, Idaho. Looking for another entry. Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Nice entry right there. I got in at 212. Hey, man, you're up right there, Annette. That's good. That's good. I've been here for 2 months and lost $2,000. It's awesome. That is not awesome, but hopefully it comes back. So Evan, if you've been here for 2 months, and you lost $2,000. That means that you probably bought towards the top up here, or and if you haven't sold, you haven't lost yet. So you might be down, but you haven't fully lost. Let's see here. I agree. Beach house is where it's at. Yeah. Yeah, I couldn't do the whole thing, man. I have a garage of quads and dirt bikes. That's what I'm talking about. One off the grid. What's going on with Coinbase? Nothing I'm aware of. Is something going on with Coinbase? Is Coinbase down or something? Let's take a look. What's going on with Coinbase? Coinbase is working good. Yeah, Coinbase is looking good, dude. My Hedera though, dude, is absolutely been shredding. Start thinking third world country, live cheap. Yeah, like the Philippines. The Philippines would be nice, right? What's up, Milton? They'll probably, I mean, they'll get, if Ethereum continues to run, then those things will run too. A lot of the market will probably run. So, what's the next play for XLM? Dude, XLM's been, I mean, this is probably going to cool off. You can already see there's already a look at that. There's already a sell indicator on here on the 4 hour. This is basically a sell. This is a sell indicator right here. So it's already gone through the sell gap here. So this is like where people are, saw this and probably started shorting the market. So, this probably comes back down. I think I said it out. Yeah, right here. 40 cents is the next level for me. 40, if it comes down to 40 cents. And again, this might change, closer we get to inauguration day. If we're not down here yet or gotten close to this, then you have to make some adjustments in anticipation of what inauguration day could do. We saw what happened on election night. It hasn't come down since election night. So I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit, I guess. Is this channel for financial advice? No. This channel is for showing indicators on markets and trends, and then letting people decide if those trends and indicators work for them. That's what that is. Walla Walla, Washington. Hell yeah, dude. Idaho is on the list. Got to ride the yeah, dude. Idaho's legit. Why is everyone copying Crypto Glen with the purple background? I think it's the best. I don't know who the hell Crypto Glen is. Deuce is wild. I think it's just it's a nice lighting for the background. I tried blue, but blue's like funky on the camera here, and so is green. So, and then white's just weird, and so is yellow. So really, the last one is purple or pink, and I only got six. I only got like 6 options, bro. So you have to pick one. You got to pick one. I don't know who's Crypto Glen. I know 240 seems high, but Brad's interview today compelled me. Yeah, Brad's on one, dude. What are you expecting for XRP short term? I think that we're gonna probably. I said I've anticipated that based off this market, what the markets are showing us and indicators are showing us that it could come downward and hit this anywhere from 230 to 225 to 220, somewhere in that ballpark. That's typically where these fair value gaps are at this moment. What's up, Boston? I'm waiting for XRP to come down to 232. All right. I mean, what's the best coin to rest your money between trades? Probably if you want. I personally, if it's between trades, I put it in fiat on Coinbase. That's just me. I don't put it back into like a stable coin just because I don't get charged any fees on Coinbase anyways because I pay for the premium. So it just works out like that. Hey, Austin, when the day comes and you want to sell all your XRP and withdraw that into your bank account, what place has the lowest fees? Well, I'm definitely going to use Coinbase because I don't pay any fees on Coinbase. So when that day comes, it's going straight to Coinbase. Get that premium, that $299.99 a month, and you won't pay any fees. You'll pay some spot fees on your spot trading, and you'll pay a little bit on your leverage side. But yeah, cashing out, you don't pay any fees. So long-term XRP here. Right now, I'm trying to figure out a good entry to Link. Oh, okay, Link. Yeah, let's take a look at Link. I haven't looked at Link in a while. Link's actually looking a little, I mean, look at this. This thing's looking pretty good too. We'll go down. We can look at the fair value gaps here as well. Again, this is Link has gone on a major rally though. Look at that. Gosh, dude, same thing. November 5th, this thing just went on an absolute sender. Where's it at from November? We got 200% up. Gosh, dang, dude. Let's see. This will be the first time that I actually do any numbers on so this dip was actually a 24% dip. Jeez, dude. What was this one at? 30, yeah. So I think their averages though. Oops. I think their average about a 15% there. Oh, 13% there. Yeah, you're looking at a 15 to 20% dip. But I don't think we're going to go that far. I mean, a 15 to 20% dip from this high right here would put us about, I mean, it would put us right at that 21 marker for that fair value gap, right in the middle of that fair fair value gap. I don't know if it's going to go down to 20% because that actually create a new low. So yeah, you're anywhere from probably 22 to 20, dude. 21 to 22, dude. That's probably your area. I mean, if I had to look at this, just a quick numbers, You're based off trends, based off of previous dips and where it's at right now. I'd probably say if the market continues to show in the red over the next couple days, I mean, you're probably looking anywhere from 21 to 22, maybe even lower. Yeah, probably 21 to 22, dude. That's probably where I'd be, somewhere in that ballpark. Note it. Let's put it down. All right, we'll revisit this one. Let's put a horizontal line in here at 20. We'll do 21 and a half since I said 21 and 22. We'll do 21 and a half. How about that? Which is actually at the very bottom of this this fair value gap right there. So yeah, it's looking like we're about right there, 21 and a half. Let's zoom in on that. Let's actually make that perfect, 21 and a half. Damn, perfect, dude. Look at that thing, freaking right at the bottom of that fair value gap. Yeah, we'll test it out. We'll see if it comes together. It could be anywhere from 20, yeah, somewhere in this ballpark maybe if it continues down, and that's roughly from where it's at right now. Is about an 8% decrease. That's probably more than I'd like. I mean, I was looking more of like a 6%. Let's see where 6% puts us. Yeah, 6% puts us like right here at 22. So yeah, 22 to 21, dude. It's somewhere in that ballpark. I don't know. 22 to 21 on the Chainlink. Nothing better than, oh my god, amazing coins. I almost read that, dude. Brad's interview today was great. Yes, it was. It was good. My YouTube refuses to connect to Discord. There has to be a way. There has to be a way. Newbies buy the top at partly because they see prices surges. Yeah, Tony, I'm with you. Got to get people over that that feeling, that FOMO feeling. Everyone's talking about XRP going to the moon, but it's staying around 240. When does it finally go? I mean, we've already kind of Trump 2024. I mean, when Trump got elected on the 5th, dude. I mean, we're up like, I mean, let's go back and look. Let's pull the number. You know, election night, we were on, let's see that, dude. Election night, we were at 8 p.m. on election night, we were sitting at 51 cents. This thing has gone up. This thing is up currently 365%, dude. We were up 365% if you bought on election night. Dude, that is insane, dude. And we were buying back over here at what price was this? This is not even where we were at. We're so far back. I don't even have the numbers for 30 cents. You can see our numbers over here. Look at we were DCAing in over here. That's so funny to look at. All of our little DCAs over here. I love it, dude. I love it. So yeah, I'd have to pull that back on like the day chart probably. Yeah, we're back over here in the 30-cent mark, dude. Way back over here. So, dude, if we're pulling the 30-cent mark, 30 cents all the way up, well, we're up like 600% right now, dude. We're like 600, almost 700% up. I mean, it's already gone up for me, dude. This is already mooning. This is that's kind of where it's at right now. I mean, 600% gains in a month and a half, 2 months. That's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. $299 a month or a year. $299 a month. Dude. Yeah, you don't pay any fees though. But is the spread higher on Coinbase versus Robinhood? That's a good question. I don't know. I don't really look at Robinhood, Jonathan. So I couldn't give you an answer for that one. Dude is sitting at a 6K. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude. I mean, to me, it's Andrew. It's already. I mean, we're already on that path. We've been on that war path. So like 299. No way. Yeah, it's $300. K Bowers. It's $300, but you pay no fees. And plus, I trade all the time, right? I'm swinging trading. You know, I put in anywhere from 10 to 15 trades a month, if not more sometimes, depending on how the market's looking. You know, you get insurance on your money that's on there. So if I have 20, 30 grand on there for swing trading, it's covered. So that's positive. You pay little on spot fees and leverage trades. And, that's the kind of stuff that you want when you're doing this stuff. I mean, plus I'm in Washington. And it's one of the very few exchanges that I can actually use. I mean, we can't use Kraken here. We can't use KuCoin. We can't use MEXC anymore. All the stuff is you can't use Gemini. The only thing we can use is crypto.com and Coinbase. And Coinbase is just the better exchange for it all. So that's kind of what's at. What's up, Michaela? I'd like to hear Algorand. Good old Algorand. I don't even know if I have Algorand on here. Algorand. Everyone likes some algo. Algorand's just a little bit slower of some movement here. They've actually dipped pretty far. We go back and we look at where they were the previous bull run. They hit up here at $2.80. Right now, they're sitting at around 40 cents. And since the election night, they're roughly up about 200%. So still up really good. Don't get me wrong. They're looking like they're coming back in. Let's go to the 4 hour on this thing. Yeah, I mean, Algorand's looking a lot. I mean, they're 4 hour. You got the 100-day coming up hot. Let's see what the 12 hour looks like. Yeah, dude. Algorand's probably. Dude, those are big dips. Those are actually some big dips. Jeez, I don't think I've ever really looked at Algorand. Damn, it lost 40% in 2 days. Yeah, you're probably looking. Yeah, you're probably in this fair value gap as well. You're probably sitting at like 35, 36 cents if it comes back down. Would be a nice gap. But I mean, there's another fair value gap here on the 12 hour at 38. So you'd have to watch that one. But I mean, yeah, you're probably sitting here at like 36, 35, somewhere in that ballpark on Algorand, Michaela. And if we continue this downward trend. Like I said, I mean, XRP's been super resilient up here. This is like shocking how resilient this has been. I'm sitting on this 240 line right here. A lot of support right here at the 240 line, which we drew a long, long time ago. This 240 line's been there forever. Still sitting there at the 240 dump marker, and it's just been bouncing around this thing. So a lot of support up here. So that's good. That's actually a good sign. So, oh, no problem, no problem. Good afternoon, Austin, from the land of Australia. Heck yeah, Alex. What's up, man? From the land down under. 21.5. I like it right on that which one are you talking about, Jason? I might have missed which one you were talking about. I Forrest Gump my way into Discord. Hey Austin, does your father know anything or yourself about trading electricity futures? I do not, Lebo. I hear it's lucrative. Lebo, I don't know anything about it. It's not that we have not gone up; it's that we have not jumped like that in a while. 300%. That's huge, right? I mean, Bob Fox. That's a big jump, right? I love buying in green because I hate making money. William, what's up, buddy? Anyone trust Wallet Loan Bot? Probably don't. You have to make sure you actually have a channel created for it to bridge with Discord. That's true. That's probably your first battle, is to make sure you actually have a channel. Make sure you're logged in, signed in. Austin, what would you advise for an exit strategy this bull run with a bag of 5.5K XR? Is that XRP crypto, Frank? I think it's tough because 5.5, that puts you at roughly 10K, right? A little over 10K, 12K maybe. Yeah, I mean, it all depends on where it goes. Like, I mean, if we go up, if we go to $7, like if we're anticipating it goes to $7, which I have up here, which is roughly about another 200% from where it's at right now. You're sitting on, if you're sitting on roughly 5.5K. Oh, okay. Well, I mean, let's just say let's say the whole market goes up, you're sitting on 5.5K. That for me is, I mean, that's probably a good enough number. I'd probably cash it all out. You know what I mean? Try to take that and wait for the next dip, put that all back in. If you have $5,500, it goes up, maybe, you turn that 5.5K into $15,000-$20,000 by the end of this bull run. Yeah, I would probably cash out, wait for the dip to come back down. Now, if you have like a couple $100,000, or maybe you've become a millionaire in crypto, I would be a little bit more. I would probably I'd work my way out of situations, because again, I don't think numbers are going to hit like my Bitcoin. I'm probably never going to buy Bitcoin for $20,000 again. So, like I said, I mean, it's all a matter of how you look at it, I guess. And if you need the money, if you need to take it out and invest it in something, or if you want to, it's really up to you. You know what I mean? But yeah, you gotta see how it is when the end of the bull run comes. Hey, no problem, bud. I had to do it backwards. Open YouTube, then Discord. Oh wow, really? Huh. I'm so far behind on the chat, dude. Can I ask you streaming camera or actual camera? I use an actual camera, dude. I use a GH5. Luminex GH5 is what I use. And you just get like a little cam link. So Bitcoin, do you see the dip in the near future like tonight? I mean, yeah, again, you can see this is a good thing here with Bitcoin is that you can see we're already in a fair value gap right here. So, I mean, people are looking at this same chart, right? You have a nice one right here at 97. You got another nice one down here at 95. I don't know if we'll get back down there. Hopefully we don't. Hopefully we stay up here and maybe we dip down into this 100 mark right here. But that's a really good fair value gap with Bitcoin. I mean, that puts us down, what, 7%? Let's see. It's probably a 5%. Or I'm at 2%. This will be 5% right here. This would be like your 5% dip right here at this 97 mark, which is a fair value gap, right about 4.5. This is a 2% dip right here. So, I mean, again, you'd have to put a large amount of money in here to get a good value on your dip, right? I mean, I put 10,000 in this to gain 200 back if it gets back to 100,000. But your anticipation is that you get that 2% in there so that you can ride this little 2% back up to hopefully getting back up, hopefully getting somewhere up here that people are talking about. But again, Bitcoin's a lot harder when you're doing swing trades, right? You're going to have to leverage trade this. Typically, when it gets larger or higher like this, you have to go into some leverage trading for Bitcoin. It's a lot different. Getting those 20 to 30% swings on Bitcoin's a lot harder. Austin, do you trust wallet loan bot? I do not. I just read that. I don't know why I read that again. At least let XRP come down to 236.75 before it takes off. Ondo, you want me to look at Ondo for you? Have I pulled up Ondo before? I don't know if I've ever pulled up Ondo before, dude. I don't think I've ever pulled up Ondo, bro. Ondo. I mean, look at that, dude. It's right in the middle of a fair value gap. Look at that. Damn. It's literally right in the middle of its fair value gap. About an 8% decrease from its high right there. Yeah, your next. I mean, if the market were to have a downward trend over the next like 5 days, you're probably looking at, you're probably looking right here at this 143 marker, right? Which puts it a total of 13% down. So let's see what these other ones are. 13% down. That one's about 15% down. That one's about 16% down. Yeah, so I mean, you're averaging probably in that same marker right there, 16% on these dips. Let's see what these ones look like. That one's a big dip. That one's a big dip. That one's 12. That's not bad. 12. About 16. Yeah, so you're looking anywhere from like 10 to 16% dip. So I mean, we're already halfway there on this last little high right here. So if it's were to dip down further, I mean, yeah, you're right there, dude. You're right there at this 143 marker. That's typically about a recovering dip. That seems to be the recovering dip averages, anywhere from 12 to 16. So you're probably right on the 143 for Ondo. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that plays out. Let's see. When does the bull run end? We're thinking probably around. People are suspecting like anywhere from August to September, but who knows? Hey Ryan, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Kavu and Tima going to retire my kids. Already 7x in the community has donated over 3,000 to annual rescues with proof. Dude, that's awesome, Ryan. Thank you so much for the $5, man. And good to hear that you guys are still killing it out there, man. I'm super happy for you guys. What if we never see the bear market? And thanks again so much for the $5, Ryan. What if we never see a bear market again? That will never happen. I wish. All you have to do is hit 17 parlay and boom, life changes. That could be true. You think XRP will go to 212 before the hype? I don't know, dude. That's tough to say. It really is tough to say. I don't think it's going to go that far. I hope it doesn't go that far. Indicators aren't really saying it's going to go that far. I mean, unless something crazy happens, like a massive sell-off, like We had that flash sell off with Bitcoin that dropped us way down here. Unless you have something like that, like a major liquidation in the market for some reason. But if things stay status quo, I don't think I see it going that far, dude. Hey Austin, what's your take on IO? I don't know if I know anything about it. Let's take a sell on Coinbase today without getting charged a fee. Are you supposed to get charged a fee? Manny from Miami. I don't know. It's a good question. I don't know if I know about the why you didn't get charged a fee. Moonwell, no, Mateo. I don't know what Moonwell is. I think indicators are saying, I mean, that we're probably going to have, again, I don't know how far down, but I mean, this will come down whether it's at 35 or down lower. I mean, yeah, market's already showing that we're already starting to see red. The indicators down here with the RSI already show that we're a little over purchased, even on the 12-hour. The 4 hours coming down, the days coming down, which is okay, right? The days coming down. I mean, that puts us like probably somewhere in here before we hit this bottom. We want to hit this. We definitely want to hit this like this 18 or below before inauguration day, because when inauguration day comes, we want this to climb back up. So we're already on that trend. Let me get your comment out of the way, dude. We're already on that trend down here for that to happen. It's crazy how these things are lining up. It's crazy how those things are lining up. Can you explain a little what Ondo is? Good old Ondo. So yeah, if you want to, you go over to if you want to look at and do research on some of these cryptos, you just go over to Coin Market Cap and just top in Ondo, and it'll tell you what it's about. Some people really like it. Again, it's not really like my cup of tea for what it is. It's a DAO. So again, I'm not huge into DAOs, but I mean, I don't. DAOs are okay. I mean, if you want to be involved in a community and do these kind of things, then yeah, you can get involved in that. Holding Ondo allows you to have a voice in part of the DAO, right? Decentralized autonomous organization is what it stands for. So it's basically runs its own. You make decisions for how they want to spend their money, where they put their money, where they put their holdings, all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of what it is. Just a DAO. Austin, do you see the utility tokens like XRP, XLM? Yeah, I kind of already feel like the, XRP, XLM, HBAR, I kind of feel like they are sort of already wrapped up in the AI side, dude. I mean, look at who they're working with. I mean, you got HBAR working with SpaceX or with Starlink and stuff like that. I mean, those are all AI generated businesses out there. So I think that they're already wrapped up in these kind of things. Yeah, so I mean, yeah, I guess your answer is I see them more along the lines of those and probably would perform better. It's just, yeah. Austin, what's your take? I don't know what IO is, buddy. Just to kill the will. Thanks so much for the $10, bro. I may have missed it, man. Can you go over HBAR? If you already did, then don't worry about it. Also, we need people. We need more people in the Discord. Yeah, definitely jump in the Discord, guys. We got roughly. I think I haven't looked yet, but how many members do we have with the A team? We have a ton of members on the A team here. I think we're over like 2,200 members on the A team here. So we still have basically we're one third of you are in the Discord. It'd be nice if all of you got in the Discord. I think, yeah, we're roughly sitting about. Dude, there it is. I couldn't find my damn thing. Yeah, we're roughly sitting about. Dude, oh my gosh, 2,427 members, dude. Damn, that's a lot of members. 2,400, what was that? 2,500 members on the A team, dude. And yeah, we have like roughly almost 700, and we have roughly 757 members in the Discord. So again, if you have a membership, whether it was donated to you or if it was you bought it yourself, like go into the Discord, dude. That's what it's for. It's to go over there, work together as a as a community and talk about things. And yeah, it's been great. So yeah, Michaela, go A team, right? Appreciate that. And Killer Will, thanks so much for the $10. Let's go over HBAR here real quick. So you can see we put our price points here before, and HBAR has been killing it, dude. Like, look at HBAR right now. This thing has been. I don't want this thing to go down. It's not. I mean, this thing has a really different chart right here. So you can see it actually has It's actually looking, dude, this is what's crazy about this is that the fair value gap is still over here. This thing hasn't actually filled its fair value gap, dude. I mean, the fair value gap is being filled currently as we speak. This is why HBAR is so. This is why HBAR is. I mean, I was telling you guys, I put a tweet out today saying, like, dude, this is a sleeping giant. HBAR is a sleeping freaking giant. We've been filling this gap for literally since December 3rd. We've been filling this fair value gap. Look at this. So this giant fair value gap has been getting filled, and we've probably filled it, which means that we're here, we're ready to take the next level. So if it comes back down to this 28 marker, dude, like that's probably a gift. And that's the next marker, dude. That's the only little marker that we have in this entire thing is right here. The fair value gap is 28,421 to 28,380. And I moved this up to be a little bit above it to 28,46. And if we get that, dude, that's probably a gift because that's the only fair value gap this thing has. So HBAR is a little special, man. Yeah, glad you donated and told me about that because that's honestly, yeah, HBAR is ready to do its thing, dude. A day chart's still looking healthy. Look at the day chart right here on the RSI, right? We just breached 50, right? 12 hours. You know, it's probably going to come down a little bit. That's why I said this might come down. We might be able to touch something like this, but the day chart, you know, even if this were to come back down and go a little bit flat, I mean, we still have a couple days till inauguration, right? Right here, this comes down a little bit flat, comes down slightly. Dude, we have some momentum with HBAR. It's sleeping giant, dude. HBAR is like, I'm 100% sold on HBAR doing well. There's no question. There's no doubt. Nothing, dude. And the chart, the indicators are telling us that. Volume's telling us that. I mean, it would be nice if this 100-day got a little closer to the 10-day. That would be nicer. I would say that's probably the only indicator that I don't really care for is that this is still pretty far away. You want to be sort of closer like this gap right here. Let's actually measure that gap. How far was that away? Oops, wrong way. Did it wrong way. Let's do about right here. How far was that gap? About 80% gap. And we're at a 50. So we actually closed the gap. That's actually not bad. So we have closed the gap. Okay, that makes me feel a little better. I should have probably pulled that before I said it. But I mean, you do want this to get closer. The closer the 100-day gets to the 10-day, the bigger liftoff. The bigger the takeoff will be, right? The closer we get, the better. The further away, it's going to pull back. It's just the gravity of the market. So I'm gonna scroll down just a little bit, guys. Cause I'm super far behind. I'm like literally 10 minutes behind on the chats here. So, oh man, yeah, we got roughly what did it say? 850 people, 855 people here watching on YouTube. We have 97 people on X and 191 people over here on TikTok. So thank you guys so much for being here. Austin, can you give me your thoughts on Cardano? Cardano is just a really slow mover. Cat Williams, super slow mover, but I mean it's one that's going to be here and it's probably never going to go anywhere. So it's definitely probably a slow, nice investment if you wanted to, but yeah. California XRP, thanks so much for the 5 gifted members. If California XRP gifted you a membership, please say thank you. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Definitely go hit us, go jump into that Discord and make sure you say thank you to California XRP, dude. Thank you so much for that. We got Honey Badger over here, dude. Thank you so much for the 50. Gosh, dang, dude, the 50 gifted members. Wow. We got 50 gifted members over here. That's crazy. That's $100 and memberships right there, dude. I appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you guys, both of you, for the gift memberships right there. So those 50 members right there, please say thank you to Honey Badger if you got one of those memberships. And again, you guys can access that Discord. So wow, dude, congrats to you guys. That's amazing. Thank you guys so much. You and California XRP, you guys are awesome, dude. That's crazy. Wow. Both of you. Thank you very, very much for that. And yeah, super cool. This is why I love the A team, man. You guys are so amazing. You're so giving. And dude, it's just crazy how much we've continued to grow. And it blows my mind. I'm gonna be honest. Every day you guys are blowing my mind with the Discord and how Discord is and just how this whole thing is. It's kind of crazy, dude. So yeah, fantastic. I'm probably gonna butcher your name, dude, but I'm just gonna call you Pan. Pan, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. I really, really appreciate it, dude. Welcome. And yeah, definitely go jump in that Discord, dude. You'll have access now to it. All the links are in the description below. So dude. Yeah, thank you so much. Austin, remind everyone to connect their YouTube to Discord, then agree to the rules and tap emojis to open channel. So, fan, just reminded you, I'll leave that there so people can look at that real quick. But yeah, thank you guys so much for all the subscriptions. And you guys are amazing. Gosh dang. A-Team has been great. Joined under 1K members. Following Austin, watching his streams, have been sitting on major gains. Dude, D5, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate you showing up every day too. Have you got into Discord yet, bro? D5, I don't know if I've seen D5 in the Discord yet. I want all you guys. I want all people with a membership here in Discord. Why not? Why not take advantage of Discord? Discords has been amazing. So definitely jump over there. We talk about a lot of things off camera, and yeah, we definitely want that. So follow the. Hey, thanks so much for the follows over here. Best talk on crypto. Oh, bet. Thank you so much, Michaela. Best crypto talk channel. Thank you so much. Thanks for the gifted sub. Oh, that's awesome, Lance. Yeah, see, you guys are already getting here. Patrick. Yeah, there you go, Patrick. You have to go to Discord settings, connections, add YouTube. The rules will pop up. That's going to be how it is. How high do you think HBAR can get to in this? Dude, what did I mark out here? I think that's the 58 marker is kind of where like the next level, but I think I'm saying here, dude, $2. Some people are thinking that's too low, but I think that's pretty reasonable based off where we're at right now. I mean, dude, that would be, we were buying HBAR back at like freaking 2.5, like 3 cents, bro. Where are we buying it at? I could probably go look at my dollar, my average here. I think we're buying at like 4 cents. Or was it 4 cents? Like 4.45, almost 5 cents, somewhere in that ballpark. So I mean, dude, like honestly, that would be an insane gain, dude. That would be. There's no way that's going to be what it is. It's there. There's no way. That's not going to be that high. What's crazy is that a lot of you guys could have got the same price. A lot of us are riding this whole entire wave down here at this $4 mark. You know, you could have gotten this $4 mark right here at inauguration, just to get to freaking 58 cents, dude. You're talking a 1,200% return, dude, on a freaking blue chip, dude. We're gonna get my HBAR has just been absolutely sending, dude. Another one coming up here. We're talking about a 4,000. If it gets to $4, you're talking about a 4,000% return on a blue chip. I mean, if you got in at inauguration day, or sorry, not inauguration, if you got in at election day and it goes to $2, you're sitting on a 4,000% return for a blue chip token, dude. If that happens, and that would be absolutely insane if it did that. So yeah, and that's roughly from where it's at right now. From where it's at right now, we're talking roughly about another 500% increase. So you're talking about another 500%. So we're sitting at roughly. For HBAR, we're sitting at roughly what is it, like a 11 billion market cap. So we're sitting at almost a 12 billion market cap. So yeah, we're talking 60 billion. I mean, dude, that's easily doable. 60 billion, come on. I mean, Doge would. I mean, that's like literally where Doge is right now. So yeah, to answer your question, HBAR is like it's gonna probably outperform my XRP. I think that's what I mean by when we talk about outperforming it. Doesn't mean it's better than XRP. It just means it's going to outperform it. Because we got in at 30 cents here, and even if it were to get up to $7, which a lot of people are projecting, you know, we get down to this 30-cent marker down here. Right, we're over here, 30-cent marker. That puts it at 1,800% gains. The other one's, so we're off by, literally 4,000% gains versus 2,000% gains. That's a big gap, dude. Good stuff tonight, Austin. Love it. Yeah, Jam. No problem, man. This is always fun to do this kind of stuff, right? Just look at charts and talk about where they're going to be and what we could expect. I mean, those are big gains, though. You know what I mean? What's your thoughts on where Flare could go? Flare's good, dude. No, Flare hasn't made it through a bull market or bear market yet, right? Or I'm in a bull market, so it's hard to project where Flare is going to go because it hasn't gone through a bear or a bull market. So it launched here on 23, which is during the bear. It dipped all the way down here to like 0.0093, and it's done well since. But I mean, we haven't really seen it, so it's hard to project when you don't know what to rely on. So that's the hard part with it is I don't know. It's too hard to say. Austin, how do you feel about Jasmine? Smells like it's cooking something. You guys just want me to buy Jasmine. I think the A team just wants me to buy Jasmine. I mean, it's definitely got a fair value gap coming up here. It's definitely in the sell off. You can see right there, it's definitely saying sell. It's telling you guys to sell. So everyone's looking at this going, yep, it's a sell. It's a sell flag, sell moment right here. So yeah, you got roughly around 3 and then maybe down here. So probably about like 3.5, maybe if it dips down, maybe get some pricing for that. But I don't know. I just haven't been sold on Jasmine, guys. I don't know what it is. Is something wrong with me? Something wrong with me? What's good to buy now? I mean, we're sticking with the ISOs, dude. The A team is my favorite addiction. Crochet. Hey, Austin, would you put 10K right now on hand? Would you put 10K in right now on HBAR? Dre, not. I would probably wait for it to come back. I would play the game, but yeah, I mean, I think long term HBAR's great, dude. Yo, I'm in Discord now. Heck yeah, Jason, let's go. Wow, I just received membership. Thank you. Oh yeah, dude, that's awesome. We'll get into the Discord now, guys. Same with you, Tony Punch. Are you in Discord yet? You think HBAR will go down to 28.5? That's where the fair value gap's telling us that, but I 28.5. Yeah, that's where fair value gap's telling us. It's the only fair value gap. Again, these aren't saying they're going to get there. This is like the best. This is the best trade you could possibly get is when it falls into a fair value gap, right? It's not saying this is what's going to happen. I just want to make that very clear. It's not saying that's going to get there. This is just you have when you trade in these fair value gaps right here, you typically have the most success of building out gains from when it falls into these gaps right here. So that's only what that means. It doesn't mean it's actually going to hit. These are opportunities. These aren't like guarantees. These are just opportunities. And so you'll set those opportunities there. And again, you could DCA your way into an opportunity, right? You're saying, okay, well, maybe it's going to hit. I think it's going to hit 29. So I'll buy it at 29. And if it dips down here to this next level, I will DCA my position into that level. So you could do a lot of different scenarios, right? Like I said, I just put it here because that's where I feel comfortable. I mean, if it doesn't hit and it goes up, I don't care. I mean, my bag is packed. We're ready to roll. If I miss the trade, I miss the trade. We don't hit them all. The Jasmine chain has left. I think so. I think I'll probably stay off the train. Yeah, I'm with you, Sean. It's a HBAR is sexy, dude. Honestly, it's one of those out there, dude, that I just think, I mean, we've been holding it for so long. It's gone off. It's gone crazy. And I'm just like, gosh, dang, dude, this is just one of those ones where every time it goes up, I mean, the gains are insane. We swing traded the hell out of this thing through this last month and made significant gains just off of these swing trades, dude. This market with HBAR has just been phenomenal. I mean, it literally sat in this golden pocket for the whole month. Look at that, dude. Came down, golden pocket. Right here, boom, golden pocket, bought it. Golden pocket, bought it. Comes back down, buy it. Right? I mean, we were just like tearing it up here on XRP, HBAR, XLM. Honestly, December was great, dude. December could have been probably one of the better months I've had in terms of trading, just because the chart was so easy to read. I don't think we missed one freaking trade in December. I mean, there was probably days we missed, but I'm just saying, like, I don't think I lost a trade at all. Yeah, I mean, like, dude, it was phenomenal. What do you think about Velo? I don't know enough about it, dude. Do you stake HBAR? No, I don't stake anything. You got a lot of members asking about XDC. Do you mind giving it a look? I do have a lot of members asking about XDC. I can give you guys a look. I guess we'll pull it off of Coinbase or KuCoin. I guess I don't know, or maybe we could pull it off crypto.com. Let's go here. There we go. Damn, dude. XDC is looking good. XDC is looking good. Yeah, you guys are up 50% on the turn right there on what was that? January 2nd. Yeah, if you guys bought that, you're up 50%. That's good, man. You guys are looking good. Yeah, you got a lot of fair value gaps in here. So if the market comes down, I mean, you got a lot of levels in here. Usually, like I said, fair value gaps usually fill up half of the pump, right? So it comes up, fills up the half. So I mean, we're talking. I mean, last time this thing fell, 22%. Do about 22%. Gosh, dang. All right, that's pretty easy. That was a bigger fall right there. So 22% seems to be about the average right there. Damn. So okay, so 22% seems to be about the average. So if this were to fall, you're at the top of this fair value gap right here. So roughly around 8 cents before the recovery. So 8 cents maybe if I had to go back and forth. And again, we're projecting that there's going to be a correction in the market before inauguration day. That's all we're doing here. We're not saying that's going to happen. But if the market trends downward after what we see right now, if there's a little bit of some bleeding in the market, then that's kind of where we're at. Um, you know, so uh, we have tomorrow, which is we're gonna have our PMI coming out tomorrow. So we'll have our job openings tomorrow. We'll have our PMI tomorrow. So I mean, there's gonna be some information coming tomorrow, and I don't know if what the numbers are going to be, but I mean it's looking like they're forecasting it to be 53. So they're actually, this is probably why it's a little red, because they're forecasting it to be, damn dude, okay. Oh man, so yeah, we'll see what the news is on PMI here. We haven't actually looked at PMI. Oh, so the prelims, so they released some of the prelims here. Okay, so they're saying for the PMI, prelims was 58.5, prior was 56.1. Employment increased for the first time in 5 months. Business confidence at 18-month high. Cost inflation eases to 11-month. This is the best reading since March of 2022. So, I mean, I guess that's probably good. The strongest service sector PMI reading for December sets the U.S. economy up for a start to 2025. So, yeah, we could probably have a good number turning up tomorrow. So, yeah, we'll have some of that coming out, and then obviously we have our Michigan consumer sentiment. So this could be an interesting one as well. And we have our unemployment rates and non-farm payroll. So, yeah, we have some interesting stuff coming out this week. So this could actually be good or bad. I don't know what the numbers are going to be. So I want to get some of those swings. Yeah, me too, dude. You want to get in some of the swing trades? You will be doing that stuff in the Discord, right? Is that the DGen room? The DGen room is just for that's for like speculative, crazy plays. And then we'll talk about charting and stuff like that in the crypto 101 room. So I have HBAR limit at 30. Okay, that's good, Tony. Hey, M man, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Definitely go give that Discord a shot. So thank you so much for being a member and welcome. XRP Ledger, is it good? Yeah, I mean, I use Ledger, dude, right here. Yeah, Ledger is the only cold storage I use at the moment. I still haven't done the dishes. Uh-oh. 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 Gotta be careful of that. Make sure you do those dishes. AVAX maybe looking okay. Yeah, I pulled AVAX the other day. Someone in the channel asked me to do AVAX. Yeah, AVAX, definitely look at that. Look at that sell right there. This one coming down with the sells. So yeah, that's definitely knew that trend was coming down. But really right here, it's looking like it's actually looking pretty good. This took a pretty big hit. I didn't realize how big of a hit this took. Same with Solana, dude. So yeah, you're probably looking at like that 40 cent, 40 to 39 cent mark. But what was I gonna say? Solana. Solana was the one that kind of took a hit. This one has bounced back nicely, but this thing was on a massive downward trend. Um, this one's on a massive. This second, I gotta put this little thing in there. We go. So yeah, we're probably could come down here in back below the 200 mark maybe. So are you still gonna put a chat in the Discord? I didn't see it in there. Yeah, dude. Yeah, Tony, you gotta go through. You gotta go back in there, dude, and select like what fan said. You got to go in there and you got to select the emojis that are on the message. So connect your Discord to your YouTube, and then go in there and select the emojis, which will take you up. So I'm probably gonna only be on here for a couple more minutes, guys. Just to let you guys know, I'll probably and then I'll be jumping over in the Discord. So Becker's still pumping AVAX, is he? Tony, do you see the rules? Yeah, do you see the rules? That's the big one. Are we going to the moon? I mean, I think inauguration day is gonna be wild, dude. I mean, today they just sealed the deal, and he's still the market's still pumped. Took me like 17 times the connection to take. Oh right, damn, Patrick, really? Is Mr. T from the original A team still around? I think he is, Real Patriot. Yeah, I think he is. My wife is yelling. I told her I'm on the phone with Austin. I'm talking to Austin, dude. We're talking about work. XLM price prediction. Like I said, I think XLM's going to do well. Where did I put the number for that? Actually, I think I pulled the only number I pulled up here was 93. I don't know why. I think that's their all-time high was 93. I think that was their all-time high. Let me go. Yeah, I think that's all I pulled was their all-time high. Which again, right now, from where it's at right now, is still a 500% or still 117% return, which is crazy to think, right? Oops. Austin's the side chick. I'm kind of new to Discord, but I'll try and figure it out. Yeah, it could be, it could be a little hard. This is my job, honey. Austin is my boss. I'm trying to make money, all right? But yeah. But yeah, like I said, any of the new memberships, thank you guys so much for all the memberships and the donations to the channel. Like honestly, I could be more appreciative of that. And anyone that got gifted a membership or anyone that here that has a membership, we have a Discord. All you got to do is just connect your YouTube to the Discord and be able to enter in the Discord. It's honestly it's been a blast over there. We got 764 members, so it looks like we had a few more members join since we left since we started the stream here. And yeah, we're already got people ranking up right now. We got 6 people in amateur, we got 10 people in rookie, and 1 person in the C team, dude. Who is the 1 person in the C team? Damn, we already got a C teamer in the house here. All right. I have to see who that is. Who is the lucky C teamer? There's someone here who probably already knows who it is. Dude, why can I not find where to find these roles right there? View members. Intrigue, dude. It's Intrigue. Damn, Intrigue. All right, Intrigue. I see you. Dang. All right. Probably Intrigue. Yeah, it is. I like it. I guess. Yeah, he's killing. You guys are killing it. So yeah, it's fun over there, man. We have a good time. So, how many crypto trading do you think it's ideal? How many crypto trading do you think it's ideal to have? Top hat. What do you mean? I don't know what you mean. But with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic evening or morning or wherever you're at. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this evening stream. I do appreciate it. I'll be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Actually, same time would be 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, same place. And yeah, so we'll see you there. I'm going to be hopping over in the Discord. So again, everyone join the Discord. We'll go over there. We'll chit chat over there. So with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic night. Love you guys a ton. And we're out. Peace out, everyone.